So guys, no, may tuturo ako sa inyong basic chord and basic strumming pattern na pwede natin gamitin. Ito yung chord na pwede natin gamitin. G, C at 9, E minor 7, and D sus. Ito yung apat na chord na pwede nating gamitin. And si strumming pattern naman ay down, down, up, up, down, down. Okay, ulitin natin. Down, down, up, up, down, down. At kapag masyado na kayong advance, ay pwede nating dagdagan ng down, up, down, up, down. Parang ganito siya, guys. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Chip. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Okay? Yun lang, guys. I hope na may natutunan kayo.